Hi there. Let's try solving question 13 from practice test 2. I'm going to try something new this time. I'm going to try writing and talking at the same time. We'll see how it goes. All right, question 17 says, what is the value of negative 2 squared to the third power plus 3 to the fourth power? Okay. Crazy problem, but let's have fun with exponents. So in this problem, we see two things. We see this part, which says take everything within these brackets to the third power, which is negative 2 squared, plus 3 to the fourth power. I don't know about you guys, but I think this one looks a lot easier, so let's start with that one. Basically, this just says, what's 3 to the fourth power, or 3 multiplied times itself 4 times. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. What does that equal? Well, 3 times 3 equals 9, and 3 times 3 equals 9, and 9 times 9 equals 81. Woo! We have the first part of this problem. I like to kind of draw little pretty circles around part of my answer to remind myself to go back to that later on. But we still have this really tricky part up here, negative 2 squared to the third power. Let's add a different color. All right, negative 2 squared to the third power. Well, first we have to take what's inside these brackets first. So negative 2 squared, that's actually not that bad. That just means negative 2 times negative 2. And when you have two negatives multiplied together, you get a positive. So negative 2 times negative 2, well, let me get rid of that bad looking equal sign. 2 times 2 is 4, but negative 2 times negative 2 is also 4. But that was just what was inside the brackets. So let's add those brackets there. And 4 to the third power. Now, this isn't so bad. Let's change colors again to get fancy. So 4 to the third power just means 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. I'm going to try to write that a little better. 16 times 4 equals 64. I'm going to put another little pretty little circle around there so I remember it. Is my answer 64? No. Oh yeah, I have to go back and use this answer. What was the original problem? Let's remind ourselves. It was this, negative 2 squared to the third power, which we found out was 64, plus 3 to the fourth power, which was 81. Okay, so we have 64 plus 81. That looks like a 4. I'm really sorry. I'm learning this new software. 64 plus 81 equals 145. You can draw a regular circle around that. Not like that one, though. You can draw a regular circle around that. You can draw a box. You can draw a jaggedy line, but you should circle the correct answer in your green test book. But 145 is what you get there. Hope you understood that one.